Imagine stepping into a fifth wheel that doesn't just feel like an RV. It feels like a fully furnished luxury apartment on wheels. That's exactly what the 2026 Alliance Benchmark 44 LFT delivers: space, technology, and comfort in a way that is redefining what a mid-bunk, loft-style fifth wheel is supposed to be. Today, we're taking a complete tour of this incredible unit, and by the end of the video, you'll understand why so many RVers are calling it one of the best models Alliance has ever built. Before we even step inside, just look at the exterior presence of the 44 LFT. The size, the stance, the height, everything screams premium. Alliance gave it a beautifully sculpted front cap with modern LED lighting, and when the sun hits the paint at the right angle, it has that glossy, shimmering finish you only find in higher-end RVs. You immediately feel like this thing belongs at a luxury resort. Walking down the side, the length becomes unmistakable. The slide-outs are huge, the windows are massive, and everything feels crafted. You'll notice thick baggage doors with slam latches, the kind you get in full-time RVs. The pass-through storage is unexpectedly huge. Inside, the LED strip lighting glows softly, and the aluminum framing looks clean and professionally finished. This is the kind of storage space you never thought you'd get in an RV with a mid-bunk. The entry steps fold down like something out of a high-end coach. Solid, aluminum, wide and sturdy. Even the doorway feels premium, with a tinted frameless window and a secure grab handle that lights up at night. As soon as the door swings open, the 44 LFT hits you with that wide, open, residential feeling. The ceilings soar, the slide-outs open the room up beautifully, and the color palette feels warm and modern. Alliance always does a great job with interior lighting, but this model takes it to another level. There are soft accents above the cabinets, warm writing under the counters, and bright ceiling lights that make the whole space glow. The living room is everything a full-timer could want. The theater seating is plush, deep, and genuinely comfortable. The leather stitching feels high quality, and the armrests include cup holders and USBs. Across from the seating is a massive entertainment wall. The electric fireplace is huge and produces that cozy, soft glow. And the TV sits at the perfect height, surrounded by cabinets that look like actual residential furniture. When everything is lit up, it feels like the kind of living room you'd see in a designer home, not a fifth wheel. Move further in, and the kitchen steals the show. You're greeted with a long island with a solid countertop, a deep stainless sink, and a modern high-arc faucet. The island alone feels like something out of a high-end condo, but it's the appliances that elevate this kitchen even more. Full-size stainless refrigerator, 3-burner cooktop with glass cover, convection microwave, oven, tons of drawers, cabinets that feel thick and solid. Everything is practical yet elegant. The lighting highlights every detail: the patterns in the countertops, the textures in the cabinet doors, the warm shine of the appliances. To the side, you get a dining area that looks custom-built. 2 chairs, a sturdy table, and huge windows that flood the space with natural daylight. Whether you're working remotely or having dinner with a view of the mountains, this setup feels incredibly peaceful. Now let's step into the mid-bunk room, the standout feature of this floor plan. This is not a cramped, temporary space. This is a full-size room with its own slide-out, its own storage, a sleeper sofa, overhead cabinets, and even a full desk area. It can be a second bedroom, a kid's room, a mobile office, a hobby room, whatever you need it to be. And the quality of light in here is beautiful, warm, bright, and inviting. Above the bunk room is the loft, easily accessible through a sturdy built-in ladder. The loft is surprisingly tall and spacious, with room for sleeping bags, storage bins, or an extra bed for kids or guests. Soft lighting makes it feel cozy and private. Families will love this area, and full-timers will appreciate the extra flexibility it brings. Heading up the stairs, the hall leads to the bathroom, and wow, the bathroom is huge. The shower is tall, bright, and enclosed with thick glass. The vanity has real counter space, the sink is stylish, and the storage is more than enough for full-time living. The fan, lighting, and little touches like towel hooks and quality hardware give the bathroom a refined residential feel. Finally, the master bedroom is the perfect place to end the day. The king-size bed sits under soft accent lighting with overhead cabinets and side tables that feel thoughtfully designed. Opposite the bed, the wardrobe stretches nearly the entire wall. Mirrored doors, deep compartments, shelves, and hanging space. There's even room for a washer and dryer setup. The lighting is warm, the air conditioning vents are surprisingly quiet, and the whole space feels like a true retreat. As we walk back through the RV, you start to appreciate how well everything flows. The mid-bunk is perfectly located between the living area and the bedroom. The loft adds extra usable space. The kitchen feels spacious enough for multiple people to move around, and the living room invites you to relax for hours. Alliance has built a reputation for listening to customers, fixing the small issues other brands ignore, improving layouts, and making RVs that feel truly designed for real people who actually live in them. And the 2026 Benchmark 44 LFT is a perfect example of that philosophy. It feels solid, it feels premium, and it feels thoughtfully engineered from the ground up. Whether you're a full-time RVer, a family looking for extra sleeping space, or someone who wants a mobile office without giving up comfort, this RV checks every box. The living room is comfortable, the kitchen is beautiful, the mid-bunk adds flexibility, the loft expands your sleeping options, and the bedroom gives you a peaceful, private sanctuary. Inside and out, the Alliance Benchmark 44 LFT proves that a fifth wheel can be big, bold, beautiful, and still incredibly functional. And if you've been searching for a floor plan that can handle work, family, travel, and relaxation all at once, this might be the one that finally feels like home. If you enjoyed this full tour and want more videos like this one, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know which RV model you want to see next. There are plenty more incredible 2026 models coming, and I'm excited to take you through each one.